Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to Gudibande Fort, which is I think so located 110 kilometers from Bangalore. It is towards Hyderabad from the airport highway. So we are going to take from Hebal flyovers towards airport. That is the highway which we are going to take. So I have started around 5 o'clock from my home, and the map is showing around 2.5 hours to reach the place. It is very cold outside today. As you can see, too much fog and mist is there, but it is very good to drive in this particular weather. I'm seeing so many bicycle riders are there. They are coming every Saturday, Sunday, I think so, for their morning ride, and so many other bikers we can see. So this road is also known as Bellary Road, and the traffic on this road will always be more. Yeah. So let's enjoy this weather now. So I have crossed the airport toll now, and the view on both the sides of the road is just amazing. As you can see, the sunrise is just amazing. This road is well maintained, so there will be no problem riding on this particular highway. After Tumkur Road, this is the one of the best highway I have seen. After driving around 40 minutes or something, we'll find a hotel on the left side of this highway, which is called Swagat Delicacy Restaurant. Just after that restaurant, there will be a service road on the left side, which we have to take towards Gudibande Fort. So this is the restaurant which I was talking about. Just after this restaurant, we'll find a service road on the left side that we have to take. From here, I think so around 10 more kilometers to the fort, and this will be completely countryside road. This is completely countryside road. Both the sides of the road you will find cropland and also mountain ranges. Driving on this particular stretch is also just amazing. Just 2-3 kilometers before the fort, we'll find one lake which is known as Bhairasagara Lake. So this is the Bhairasagara Lake. One must stop at this particular place and enjoy the view. You can get some nice pictures, and if you have a drone, you'll get a very good drone shot as well. This is the Gudibande village road. In this particular road only we will find one right turn towards the fort. I think so, yeah, this is the U-turn which we have to take, and that other side will be the road. The road is up to the fort, so there will be no communication problem. All the vehicles and all can go up to the fort. There is ample parking space as well. Four-wheelers, two-wheelers, whatever you have, you can come and park it over here. But be careful, lock everything, because there is no shop, nothing in and around this particular place. And please carry water bottle and some edibles, because that also you can't find over here. From here the trekking will start. It is said that there are around 500 steps which we have to trek to go to the top of this mountain and to reach the top. The steps are fine. It is just a medium kind of trek. I don't know much about the history, but I think so this fort was built in 1700th century. That is the Gudibande village. Still so much to climb. Here the step stops. After this there will be a narrow pathway which we have to take. It is fine, walkable place, but yeah, we have to be careful while walking because there are so many bushes and there are so many lizards. You have to be careful about. This climbing is little tricky, but yeah, anyone can come. So I have reached the top of the mountain and the fort is just a couple of stairs away. So from here we'll start the last couple of steps to go to the top. And we reach to the top. Coming over here is a great achievement and accomplishment. I'll tell you, it is very hot over here. As it was around 11 o'clock, then also the sun was very hot. Please carry water bottles because you'll not find anything on the top, and you are going to become thirsty in this place. The good thing about this fort is you go any side of that mountain, you will find mesmerizing viewpoint, and you can click as many photos as you want, but it will never be enough. This is a Shiva temple located on top of this fort. I don't know about the history about it, but it was closed, I think so, maybe because of the COVID situation. So that is the Gudibande village down. Just enjoy a few cinematic shots which I tried. I hope you guys will like it. This was a little dangerous to walk because one side was the hill and other side was just a narrow pathway with uneven rocks and everything. You have to be careful over here while walking. We spent around 2 hours on this mountain top. Now we are heading back. One thing I like is there are so many things which you can see after coming to the top. There are so many pathways and small caves beyond which you will see the mesmerizing view around the mountain. So we have reached down now. So final bye to the fort. One thing I just want to remind you, please start as early as possible to reach before 8 or 9, because as the time passes it becomes very hot and the trekking will be very difficult. And again, please carry water bottle and edibles because you will be needing it. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comment section.